Now! Now! What's up, drone pilots? Welcome back. And if you're new here, this is Neil J and I do crazy stuff with FPV drone. Today I came to fly my DJI Avata 2 in a manual mode, doing some maneuvers like low to the ground and high kind of maneuver. It's going to be fun, and really the main purpose of my flight today is I like to try to land the DJI Avata 2 in manual mode, meaning I'm not going to switch to GPS like I usually do. And the reason I'm doing that because I just bought the SpeedyBee Master 3X. I just ordered it. It will take a month to get here. This is an FPV drone, a 3.5 inch. I will put it right here on the screen so you can see it. So I'm preparing myself to do this type of flying with the Real FPV, where it's not going to be much GPS to land it for me like I usually do. I like to land the Avata in a menu in a GPS mode because it's much easier on it. You know, it's much easier on the Avata. But right now I have no choice, so I have to learn that. I've done it in the past, not many, probably a few times. But today we're gonna try to do it at the end of the flight. But first, let's go ahead and have fun flying it in manual mode. Okay. Ready? Let's go. Go. So I was saying earlier, I got this 3.5 inch FPV that I'm going to be flying here soon, hopefully. Not soon enough for me. Like, I ordered it a week ago and they just shipped it. It takes a whole month, maybe a whole month to get it from Hong Kong. That's where I ordered it from. I couldn't find it anywhere else. Even in the SpeedyBee website didn't even have it, so I have to order it from somewhere else. And as you know, I like to do those between trees kind of flying. They're really fun. Going high, going low, fast. That's the type of flying what I like to do. So hopefully the SpeedyBee will do it for me. We will find out soon. Alrighty, let's see if we can hit this gap here. Alright, so this first gap, and here is the second gap. Cool. Oh, there's some people playing here. Let's see. Where are they? I don't see them. I see the car. I just didn't. Yeah, here they are. Okay. So, yeah, the scariest thing, or the challenge, probably the most challenging thing I'm gonna have with the new drone is landing it in manual mode. I don't think it's gonna be super duper difficult, but I just don't want to. The only fear I have is, like, I don't want to destroy the drone. It's kind of hard to talk and fly at the same time. I haven't done this for a while. So again, do you think I'm gonna be able to do these things here with the SpeedyBee? And by the way, I give it a name already. I named it Rumblebee. And the reason why I called it Rumblebee, because I'm gonna be rumbling with it. Yep. Rumblebee. That's gonna be the name. So flying manual mode is a lot of fun, as you see here. I get to do a lot of things. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna go and play a little bit in this open field right here. See if we can hit this gap here without hitting the tree, hopefully. I'm gonna do a yacht turn here. All right, not too bad, could be better. I like to do like back flying. I've been trying this for some time right now. I really like it. Let me see if we can do that here. Like flying backwards in manual mode. It's not that easy. Okay, it's a little bit high. I need to go down. Oh, 22 feet, that's high. All right, here. So I'm trying to hold the altitude while going backward. It's not easy. I hold it there for a second. Yeah, that's better. See if I can go down a little bit without crashing. 2 feet, that's too close to comfort. Yep. So backflying is kind of new to me. I like to do that. So I start, like, hopefully later on I'll start hitting gaps while I'm doing it. That would be a lot of fun. Okay, let's play around here a little bit. See what else we can do. Hitting gaps will be the most fun really to do. One of the most fun. There's a lot of stuff that you can do that it's really fun, but hitting gaps definitely is a lot of fun because it has a lot of risk. Like right now, look here. So my blood pressure is going up just doing that. And of course, trees and more trees. Yeah, that's what I like to do. And I hope the SpeedyBee will be a good drone to me that I can do these things, because I don't usually fly high. I do sometimes. See, keep hitting these gaps. Woo! That was close. I like to do dives. I'm not gonna lie. Dives are really fun. Let's do a dive over here. That was really fun. I'm gonna go to almost 400 feet. I'm not gonna hit the 400 feet. Don't worry. That's fun. Yeah. This is what I like about dives. Let me do another dive here. Okay. It kept going for a second. I like it, the floating in it. I was told the FPV floats much better. I like to float when I do things. Let's do a backflip over here, if we can do that. Woo! Okay, that wasn't too nice one. Let's try another one here. I end up being high. Definitely. Whoa. Okay. Let's try another one here. A little bit better. Not too bad. So yeah, on the FPV I was told I'll probably get about 3 minutes. Not more than that, maybe 3-4 minutes. So it's totally different than the Avata. I don't know, it's gonna be a challenge. I bought the 850 milliamps hour for the FPV with 150C. So it will have a lot of power to draw at the same time, but I wouldn't be having so much power or to fly for a long time. So yeah, that's what's gonna be suck about it. It's something I have to try because everybody keeps saying you need to try it, you need to try it. Okay, I'm gonna try it and see. I will tell you. I hope you watch my journey. I must, like, once I get it, I will start making videos about getting it, from shipping to opening the box to flying it, crashing it, of course, and even if I have to repair it, you will be included. Like you see right now, I am like almost 9 minutes of flying. Can I do that with the SpeedyBee Rumblebee? I doubt it. I really doubt it. Ooh, don't crash. Oh my god, that was very close. You see, that's what I don't like about the Avata, is that power when I need it, when I push. And I think especially right now, because I'm at 30% battery, it's sagging right now, so I don't have that power. So I push it, I'm punching it, but it's not going. Okay, let's go ahead and see if we can land it in manual mode. Okay, that's the whole point, buddy. Landing it in manual mode. So what I like to do, I'll probably just slow it down for as much as I can, and I want to land it right next to me. I could have landed here, but that's far. I'm lazy, I don't want to walk. So let's see if I can land it like nicely, gently. Kinda landing, but I want it to get close to me. All right. Okay, I'm gonna cut it off. That's very funny, man. That's really very funny. All right, so I'm gonna do some practice landing right now. Since I did my flying, I want to do practice landing. My wife is over there, she's flying her drone, so she's gonna be recording it for me. Hopefully I wouldn't hit her. She has a landing pad. Think I can do the landing pad? Let's see. I look like I'm drunk flying, but I'm not, alright? Trying to look at the landing pad. I think I'm right in front of it. How far? All right, this is my another attempt of landing in a manual mode. Whoa! I hit the ground. That wasn't nice. What is the landing pad? I cannot see it. Damn, I hope I'm on top of it. Let's do it. That's funny. Let's try another one. Obviously, I suck at landing. Another attempt. So obviously, I suck at landing. Cut it off. That didn't work. Okay, another attempt. Obviously, I suck at landing for obvious reason, because I'm being spoiled with the DJI. Okay, I see the landing pad right here. Ah, flipped over. Yep, suck at landing. Coming in 16 miles per hour. You need to slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. 12, 7, 6, 3, go, hit the ground.
No!
All right, another attempt. I'm coming in slow right now. Okay, I'm going 15 miles per hour. Landing pad is right here. Where is it? Here it is. How do I know I'm on top of it? Can somebody help?
No!
How would I know? Seriously, how would I know? Okay, coming in 12 miles per hour. I need to slow down. So the biggest challenge is like, how do I know I'm on top of the pad, the landing pad? I mean, I know I can land it anywhere in this grass, but how about if I'm in the beach? What am I gonna do? Here's the landing pad, okay?
No!
All right, another attempt. So I am not sure, man. Is like I can't tell. I don't know when I'm on top of the pad. That's the biggest challenge. The landing pad. Okay, where is it? Where is it? I don't even, okay, I see it now. I think I'm right on top of it. I think I am. I don't know. I don't know if I landed there or not. We will find out later. All right, we're back. It was fun flight, flying low, a little bit high, doing some maneuvers, but that landing part was very difficult, y'all. Do you think I ever gonna make it? I hope so. I'm gonna try. Well, thanks for watching, and hopefully next time or very soon I'll be flying the SpeedyBee Master 3X. Stick around. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And again, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and if you have any question, leave it down below in the comment section. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next video.